Okay, so it's December 12th. I want to do the weekly recap on the futures market trading with the Simple Switch futures algorithms. There are three algorithms: the Simple Switch Sniper, Simple Switch Red Light, Green Light, and Simple Switch Red Dot. So right here, we're looking at the Sniper algorithm. So this is going in from Sunday on in. Sunday starts right here. So we're cruising along on the everything's showing the long side. We've got the tan, we got the green dots, and then we got our reload that happens right here, and then we take our next shot right on the close of this candle as we go from purple to green. And then if you got out at the target, that was awesome. It was a full win. But typically the sniper is on a close above 1R. But once we get past 75% of the way, we put our stop in just above break even plus a couple bucks. So for me, this was a plus a couple bucks trade and not a 1R. But then soon after, we had our switch from long to short going tan to gray with the purple dots, or purple squares. So that's a short. So we got a nice short setup here. And then in this short, we had a winner. So came down, closed below 1R, winner. And right now we are reloaded for the next short. So if this switches back short on the reload, I'll end up taking a short trade here. So there we are for the sniper strategy. So let's look at the next one. Okay, so the next one is our red dot strategy. So a while back, way far back, we have a trade indicated here. So basically we have nothing. We have free space. And then we have a green bar that pops in. We had no red dots prior to it. Green bar pops in, indicating a trade. This was the only, or the last trade setup that took place for the red dot. There are no other trade setups that you can see, and just scroll through here. No other trade setups that took place. Yeah, then we're at the end here. All right, so if you took this trade on this particular entry, we're looking to get out 1R. Once we get to here, we're looking at 75% of our position. Maybe you got out there, or maybe you got out here. And then we'd like to get the next 25% out at 2R. So if that's the case, you are still in the trade because it did not hit the stop yet. So that's very possible you start holding 25%. If you're only buying one contract, then you either jumped out here or here. So winner. So Sniper had its winners, two winners, and then Red Dot had its winners. All right, next one. Okay, so here we are with the red light, green light strategy. So starting here on Sunday, we had a short trigger, green to red. Dashes are under the white line, and the short triggered right there. So our entry was here, started to go the wrong direction, boom, winner. And then over here, we have our red to green within 2 bars. Dashes go above the white line. So we have our entry. Once it crosses 50%, we put our stop in, break even plus a couple bucks. So we would have got just a couple bucks, stopped out here for a winner. Small winner, but still winner. Then we got our green to red. Dashes are under the line. And the first two entered right here, come down 50%. We're doing a break even plus a couple bucks. So we would have got stopped out with a few dollars and missed out on this win right here. No trade, red to green, but dashes are not above the line, so no trade, even though that would have been sweet. And then over here we get our short setup, red to green, dashes below, and shorted for a nice solid winner right there. And then looking for a next trade. Green to red. Let's mark it up real quick. Okay, so we had our green to red. Dashes are below the line. And then we're in. So we don't get stopped out here. Our stop starts out up here, right around here. So we're in, taking this ride, looking like a losing trade. And then right away it runs into winner. So winner, winner, winner. So right here, then we have no trade because the dashes are not above. And then if you took this trade, this did actually look pretty good. It was barely clear, but clear on the day. But you may or may not have taken it because it was kind of borderline. But now it's not so clear. But I'm not counting this in my total. But if you did take that, that was a nice winner. And then right here, we're red to green. Right here, same thing, but it's not above. So red to green, clearly above. In 50%. Break even plus a couple bucks. So that's where we're at. So that's the end of our futures. So I do this every week so that you can see I'm not cherry picking trades. You can see the algorithm working and how it, what it did for me. So for those of you who are thinking about the futures algorithm, you can see this every week, what it's doing for me. and that can help you out. And for those who are my students, you can look at this and then decide, did I trade this week well, or did I break rules, or did I understand what was happening, so forth. So this might help you out a little bit. So anyway, there we are. That's our futures for the week, and then we'll bring you next week. All right, everybody, have a great weekend.